Hello, this is FTC Primitive Data, and today I'm going to be showing you how to start your FTC workspace. So the first thing you're going to want to do is to go to github.com. If you already have an account, log in. But if you don't have an account, then make one. This is required. And once you're logged in, go to github.com/ftc-technh/ftc_app. Or you can go to Google and search up FTC GitHub SDK, and it should lead to the same exact workspace. So next what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click this fork button and fork it to your own GitHub account. And after you're done forking, this is your workspace. So you want to copy down the URL of it. And then you're going to want to go to developer.android.com/studio. And this is the IDE you're going to want to download. So make sure you download Android Studio. So once you have Android Studio project, you're going to want to click on Checkout Project and Version Control and then Git. And then paste in your repository over here. It's going to say File Not Found, git.exe. And you're going to want to download Git. So go to gitforwindows.org and click download. So once you have Git installed, you're going to want to click Launch Git Bash. And then over here, type in git --exec -path. And this will give you the path to your GitHub. Now take this path, copy it, and go to File Explorer. And paste it into the top over here. Over here you will find the git.exe. So right click it, go to Properties, and copy its location. Now you want to go back to Android Studio and click on the Configure button over here. And in the settings bar, search up Git on top. And paste in the file path, then add in another backslash and type in git.exe. Now click the test button. And as you can see, mine says Git executed successfully. Now go to GitHub. And as you can see, my username is already here, but your GitHub profile won't be on your Android Studio yet. So you want to click Add Account and enter in your credentials. And your GitHub account should pop up over here. So now you want to click Apply and OK. And click Checkout Project from Version Control and Git. Then go to the drop down menu, and you have already pasted this in, and plus it can read your profile. So click on the repository we just created, which the one we just created was ftc_app.git. And now press clone. So once you are done cloning from your repository, you will see this menu, and you want to click Yes. And now your Android Studio project will start to load. And you want to wait for your Android Studio project to index and for Gradle to package your project. So this is what your Android Studio should look like after Gradle is done building. Now you may notice something. We have an error, so Gradle failed. This is because we still have some missing SDK packages, and you can find the link to download over here. Press Install Missing SDK Packages, press Accept, and click Next. So after your components are done installing, press the Finish button. So now you may be thinking, I have this workspace downloaded, and I have my workspace set up, so how do I start coding robots? Well, click on Team Code, press this drop-down button, click on Java, press this drop-down button, and this orgs.firstinspires.ftc.teamcode directory is where you will start coding. So right click on this, hover over New, and click on Java class. Now, what do you want to name your Java class? For purposes of this tutorial, we'll call it Teleop, which is the name of the driver-controlled mode. So click OK after you're done naming it. And add it to Git so you can upload it later. And after public class teleop, you want to type in extends OP mode. And it will have an error. It says class teleop must either be declared abstract or implement abstract method init inside of the OP mode. So you want to type in public void init, which is the initialization, and public void loop. Init only runs one time, and it initializes all of your motors, and loop keeps on running over and over again until you stop the OP mode. So now, how do I put this on the robot? So you want to connect your computer to the robot controller using a USB cable, and click on Run. Upload this code onto the phone. And now I have created this class, right? How do I upload it to Git? You want to click on VCS, hover over Git, and click on Commit File. And enter in anything for your commit message. My commit message will be created teleop mode. And then commit this. Unfortunately, it doesn't know my Git username. So I will have to enter in the Git username I use. And now I have committed my file. And go to VCS again, hover over Git, and click on Push. This will push my last commit and make it live so your teammates can pull. And as you can see, it says push successful. And now if I want to pull files because my teammates have pushed, I can go to Git and then click on pull. And it will check for changes from the origin. Obviously, I have made no changes, so it'll say all files up to date. But thank you for tuning in to this tutorial about starting your workspace, and this is FTC primitive data.